What's going on, guys? It's Tried at Flames, and I'm back with a video, and this is going to be the iPhone 7 Plus review, or whatever, opening. But yeah, nothing's in here except for, the stickers and all that crap. Or no, just the sticker and this, whatever. Sorry about the wires back there, but that's to my setup, or whatever. But here's the iPhone 7. It's a pretty cool phone. Whatever. Turn it sideways and stuff like that. Yeah. Have that stuff. More stuff. All this, but yeah, it's a pretty cool phone. There's that. There's a charger that comes with it. Standard. Which is plugged into this, but it's the standard lightning cable. Standard lightning cable. Yeah. But anyways, guys, also the earbuds, I gotta find them. I was using them, but I can't find them. Here they are, guys. I got them. But yeah, they're just like the regular earbuds, but without an audio thing. Yeah, I got them tangled up with these other ones. I gotta put the thing down. I put the camera down. Gotta untangle them. But yeah, here we go. That goes to those. There's nothing really here. Oh, I took everything out of this. I took a lot of stuff out of here. And yeah, that will be the video. See you in the next one.